Lynn, just look at this girl. She's absolutely gorgeous, getting lighter and lighter. Little Beauregard Diamond Elite. But her pet name is Dolly. If she'll turn around and show you her face. It's very, very beautiful. Dolly. Hello, Dolly. Come on. Come on. Let's show you off, lady. Aren't you gorgeous? Nope, want to go and play. Dolly. All right. Dolly.